What's up, guys? Welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Shanika, your favorite licensed esthetician. Yeah, I'm speaking it into existence. Listen, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to make these amazing ice facial masks for the skin, for face and body. And look, I have a lot of different recipes that I'm going to be sharing with you when it comes to skin conditions and how to make other facial masks for the skin. So if this is something that you're into, if this is your thing, make sure you hit that subscribe button, show your girl some love, hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, drop a comment or two, and let me know what you think. So we're going to go ahead and just hop right into it because I cannot wait to share this recipe. So we're going to start by cutting one full aloe vera leaf. We're cutting this because we're going to actually put it in the bowl, as you see I'm doing. And the purpose for that is to make sure that you wash the aloe vera leaf. The aloe vera leaf has a yellow substance. It's like a latex, and it can be irritating onto the skin, or it can be toxic if you ingest it. So make sure you just rinse it in cool water. Next up, we have the amazing avocado, and can I just tell you how much I love it? I love avocado. So good for you to eat. Obviously, it has so many vitamins and minerals, antioxidants. It's just so good. It has the fatty acids, the healthy fatty acids, omega-3s. So it's really good for you to eat, but it is also great for the hair. It's great for the skin. I use it in all combinations. It's everything. So as you can see, we're getting back to the aloe. We're gonna go ahead and remove the gel. And aloe vera is so good for inflammation on the skin from acne or sensitivity. If you have skin conditions like psoriasis, dry skin, eczema, aloe vera is really good for eczema. It's a great treatment for eczema, and it contains vitamins, enzymes, antioxidants. It's just known as the healing plant. What I love about aloe vera is that it is inexpensive. You can literally pick it up from your local grocery store from $1.50 to $3 max. You can't beat that. So here we're just blending it. We're gonna go ahead and do this so that we can actually strain it. I strain my aloe vera every time. I like to strain my avocado as well with the liquid if I use like coconut water when I'm using hair treatments. I strain it because there is a pulp. Like there's pulp in aloe vera, there's pulp in avocado. So you want to make sure you strain it. The only reason I don't strain the avocado when I'm doing these masks is because it's not going in my hair. Anytime I use avocado in my hair, it goes through a strainer because that pulp gets stuck in my hair, and I have very thick hair, and that's a problem. But I want to show you here, this is what I'm talking about. You see all of the pulp. The reason why I strain it here for the mask is because when it freezes, they can actually turn into sharp like edges on the ice cube. For whatever reason, I don't have that problem with the avocado, I guess because of the texture of the avocado, but that aloe vera will cut you, so make sure you strain it. Now I'm going in with my organic matcha green tea powder. If you don't know, green tea is full of antioxidants, amazing for the skin, also amazing to drink it. I gotta get better with that. I like green tea, but I'm just not consistent. Okay, we're being honest. But it's amazing for the skin, so we're just adding some matcha green tea powder. These are the trays that you will need. I will have the link in the description. This is the mixture. So I'm just going in and getting everything up out of that good old blender because I want it all. And just stirring it up, giving it a good mix, making sure everything has been incorporated correctly. And I'm just going in and filling each cube. This will fill up this entire, like it was just enough to fill up this entire tray. And these cubes are very small. I believe they're about 1 inch or maybe a little less than 1 inch, like all around. This is why I love them, because they're perfect for the face. They're perfect for treating other areas like your underarms. I have a great recipe if you have like dark spots under your arms or in your bikini area, like from ingrown hairs, even for the men who have the dark spots under, you know, where you have your beard and from shaving, then that next recipe I got for y'all is going to be really good for that. Now, after I fill this entire tray, you're going to see how I make everything level out. I did find a better way to do this, so I'll share that in the next video. It'll be much easier. But I'm just like rocking it back and forth to make it flat and even across. And then afterwards, I'm just going to go in and top off the ones that didn't make the cut, you know. So from here, I wanted to show you the mini popsicle sticks that I use. This is the size 2.6 inches. Okay, so nice. Perfect for this. And I found them on Amazon. You already know. I'm gonna drop that link for you in the description. Everything, the recipe, more details on the benefits will be in the description. So check it out. You won't have a problem with these staying in place. As you can see, I'm lightly placing them in there. I didn't have to like go back and keep standing them up. And that's because of the consistency of the mixture. So using the avocado with the aloe vera and adding the matcha green tea powder, which is all I used, this is the final result. Beautiful. So I left these in the freezer to freeze for about 8 hours. And it was just because I did it in the morning and then I left, had some things to do, and then ended up, you know, taking it out to finish everything up that night. In the past, it will only take about 3 to 4 hours for them to be frozen all the way through. And I am in love. Like, I love them. They're so adorable. So convenient. No mess. This is the whole point. And look how easy they come out. You're not leaving behind any mixture. They're not coming apart. So it's just best to let them freeze like all day and then just take them out. And because of the tray that I use, the silicone tray, you're not going to have to worry about anything sticking to the inside of the tray. And all you have to do is like wiggle it a little bit, and then it'll slide right out. Very gentle. And this is the amazing results of 3 ingredients: avocado, aloe vera, and matcha green tea powder. Nothing else. I just love it. And I know you'll love it too. So make sure you give it a try. If you're enjoying this video so far, make sure you give your girl a thumbs up. Show me some love. Let me know what you're thinking. As you can see here, I have a mason jar. I put the mason jar in the freezer probably 2 or 3 hours, you know, before I put them in there. And the reason why I did that is because I did not want to put them in a warm environment. So I already set the tone, so to speak, and that way, you know, they're not going to melt. Recording this video though, they did start to obviously melt a little bit because it takes time. But when you're just making them and putting them right in here, they're going to stay solid. Throw them in the freezer. Voila. Convenient. I got y'all. Now, after you cleanse your face, I don't have anything on my face, completely dry. Might look a little dry, but I'm gonna go in. Before you apply this to your face, you want to wet the cube. Keep in mind, it was in the freezer, it's frozen. You just don't want to go onto your skin, even though it may be a little moist because you just washed it, but you don't want to go into your skin with a fresh ice cube out the freezer. You just don't want to think of it like getting stuck to your skin or having that connection that is kind of like, whoa. So what I do is I like to take my toner, my homemade toner here, rose toner, and I will just lightly just go around, just getting it moist. And that's just so that when you go onto your skin, it just glides very easily. It's going to glide easily regardless, but this just, I don't know, I can't explain it. Just don't put it straight on your face wet. If you don't have toner, you can just take it under the water, turn on your faucet like really low on cool. Don't put it on high because it's gonna melt it. Put it on cool and just like run it through quick, like a quick pass. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go in and we're just gonna begin to just massage it onto the skin. Now I will be looking here because my mirror is over here, or you'll see me looking up into the video view on my camera. But you're just gonna go and massage upward. Try to focus on massaging it into your skin in an upward direction. Anytime you apply your products, you should always go up. Never pull your skin down, because that can cause sagging onto the skin the more you pull it down and rub it down. So always almost think of doing giving your skin like a lift, right? So always go up, circular motions. You don't have to push this into the skin. There's no force behind it because it just glides. So really just guide it to where you want it to go. And the coolness, oh my gosh, like I really wish you could feel this because it's so soothing. A few things to keep in mind. You do not want to take a cube and just sit it on your skin. It needs to continue movement, okay? Do not take it and just hold it on a pimple or an area that you have inflammation or puffiness. Do not take it and hold it on your eyes. You need to keep this cube moving, continuously massaging it into the skin. Also like to get the neck. Your neck should always be included in your skincare routines. Like when you're doing treatments, don't forget the neck, because if your neck starts looking different than your face, then that's just weird. So always include the neck when you're cleansing, when you're massaging serums and oils into the skin. Always try to throw a little bit on the neck. You want to have that same tone on your neck that you have on your face. So keep that in mind when you are doing your skincare routines, to include your neck. So yes, you don't want to hold it in any one spot. You want to continuously massage it onto the skin. And if you have acne prone skin and you have breakouts at the time that you make these, keep in mind that you don't want to massage it over pimples and things that may be open, like open wounds. Never massage this onto your skin when you have open wounds, because you're spreading bacteria, right? So in that situation, what you can do is use multiple cubes. You can take this one and focus it, on one area where you don't have any breakouts. You can do that, and then you can then take another cube and just massage it very quickly onto the problematic area, just so you can get those nutrients from whatever ingredients that you do use. That's it. You leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes. And what I like to do is do other things around the house and just allow the time to pass. Let this beautiful mask do what it does best. And just use it twice a day, because these masks are gentle enough for that. I like to use one in the morning, and then I like to use one at night. So twice a day. It literally takes about a minute and a half to massage into your skin, because they're so small. It's gonna melt down quickly, okay? So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give your girl a thumbs up. Let me know what you think. Are you gonna try it? And if so, I wanna hear all about it. And if you have any questions, definitely drop them in the comments. Make sure you subscribe, because I have more recipes. I have a lot of recipes on how to make different ice facial masks that I'll be sharing with you. So look out for the next one. It'll be posted really soon. All right, talk to you guys soon.